Music's always been a central part of my life. It's been a way to express my feelings and just to celebrate.
Music helps children to communicate. They have to learn how to communicate to each other and also to communicate as they're singing to their audience.
Music is there to bring so many emotions out of us. It helps us explore the things that we can't articulate.
Music for me is a way of bringing people together, and it's really exciting as part of this project that we give that opportunity to children to come and be part of a greater musical experience.
Prom Praise for schools is fun. It is the most amazing event that every 2 years we hold at the Royal Albert Hall. We welcome thousands of children, parents, teachers to the hall, and it is just an incredible experience.
When I woke up that day, I was really excited, but kind of nervous at the same time. I just felt, wowed. It was absolutely amazing to feel what an opportunity I have.
I was 7 years old when I took part. I don't think I got the magnitude of what it was to be singing a solo at the Royal Albert Hall.
The sound of 3,000 school children and 2,000 teachers and parents singing these great hymns and songs in the Royal Albert Hall. It is just one of the most special sounds.
1, 2, 3, 4.
They're actually going to be singing with a live orchestra, and a very good orchestra.
We give schools songs to sing that they can enjoy learning before the event, and also we have interactive drama as well, so the children are part of the storytelling.
The Israelites were God's people since God's promise to Abraham's child Isaac.
It was very fun to see how we could all come together with the orchestra and the singers and the actings.
Those stories have inspired some of the greatest music, greatest works of art, greatest works of literature that the world has ever seen. And so to share those stories with fantastic music, drama, lights, and this huge orchestra is just such a special experience.
They will learn things that they haven't learnt before. How to be confident, how to work as a team, how to be brave when they maybe doubt themselves. Into my adult life over the last, about 20 years, my faith has really been shaped by the experience that I had.
I'm blinded by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace.
The unity between the children and also the other schools that were there as well. It was the most amazing, supportive experience for all those children, I would say.
It doesn't matter what their background is, if they've done theatre school or they haven't, the schools bring them together, and it's just really exciting for them.
One time for the Lord, one time for the cause, one round of applause, one time for the way that you cover my flaws.
I felt inspired and privileged to be part of such a phenomenal production. I'm going to be part of it next year again.
You said my brother, Lord, I've been broken.
Something that the whole world must see and be a part of, and I think it's phenomenal that we're encouraging young children to use their gifts and talents from a young age to not just glorify God but also express their faith and to tell one of the greatest stories known to man.
That was really fun because we sang with loads of different schools. It just felt like we were all together as a group and just singing my heart out. It was just really fun.
It's a special occasion, and accompanied with telling these amazing Bible stories, it is just an epic experience.
Even if I wasn't singing the solo, I was a part of something big. I could always say I sang at the Royal Albert Hall.
If I were to sum up Prom Praise in one word, I would call it life-changing.
Astounding. Beautiful.
Exciting.
encouraging.
I think what the last year has shown us is how much we as human beings love being together, and how important music and the arts actually are to so many of our lives.
We here at All Souls Music, we're a charity, and we're really reliant on funding from partners, from those who want to make one-off gifts.
If you've never heard of Prom Praise for School, I would highly recommend getting behind it. I have no idea of the figures. It must have cost a fortune though. It's a massive, massive venue, but it's an even greater opportunity to share this story.
Think about the next generation of dreamers, the next generation of Christians, those that need to be built up, those that need to be encouraged, those who need to be enabled.
This might be the only expression people may get to have. Being a young child, maybe the teachers or the parents can't be able to afford tuition.
The kids really need an outlet which isn't just academia, and it can help them on so many different levels, and it will support them in their learning and give them the confidence to have a go at things that they never imagined that they'd be able to do.
For Prom Praise for Schools, we want to bring that message of hope, so we are hoping to do a virtual project next year and then to run a live event again.
Children hearing those stories come to life with the most vibrant, powerful, moving music in the Royal Albert Hall is something that we want to ensure continues for generations to come.
They take the children out of their ordinary situation into an experience that they will never ever forget.
I don't really know if there was one particular part, because I just thought the whole day was amazing.
You could be playing the small part of someone taking that first step into the rest of their life.